Welcome, Growth Tribe, fellow entrepreneurs, as well as global social media marketing clients. Today is another training video brought to you by Global Social Media Marketing. My name is Benjamin Kepner, and today we're going to be talking about how to upload files to the Google Drive. This is something that Global Social Media Marketing does with a majority of our clients. We offer a place to store images, videos, Word documents, PDFs, or anything else you could imagine into the Google Drive so that we can allow our clients to easily access any of the type of content that we'll be using for them in social media via the Google Drive on their smartphone, tablet, or computer. And it's a free solution for them to upload that so that we don't have to email things back and forth. So with that being said, we're doing this video specifically for one of our clients, Heath. And Heath is one of the health insurance agents, with US Health Advisors. And so what we're going to be doing with Heath today is we're going to be giving him an example of how he could upload any of his documents or resources that he would like to use on social media for his page that he's creating on Facebook into the Google Drive. So how we would do that is if we're going into our internet browser, right, we would want to type in drive.google.com. Once we get to that, it's going to give us an option to select on our Gmail account. So we will need a Gmail account. Then within that, this will be kind of the home dashboard for the Drive, right? We've got our list of things here on the left. If we're going to upload a file, simply all we need to do is click over here on the New button, and then we can click on File Upload, Folder Upload, or also go into Documents and start creating those from scratch. And you can see the different types of G Suite products that are available within Drive that we can integrate. That's one great feature of Google Drive. And so to kind of quickly go into that, right, it's a great place for you to store any file that we talked about, right? All of these different types of file formats. You can see it on any of the number of different devices as I touched on. You can share them with multiple people. And hey, it's free. So free is for me, 15 gigabytes for free to sign up. What we're talking about right now is using the Drive. So some of the features are, again, the storage. It's built to work with some of the other Google products and within those apps that they offer. We can work online, we can scan documents, and really the features with Google Drive are expanding every year. It's pretty cool to see that they've integrated everything. So again, to go back to upload a file, we want to click on left here and then click on File Upload. Once we collect File Upload, if we have it on our computer, I've got a nice picture of Heath from his LinkedIn profile picture here that we can use. I can upload that picture and then it will be available, right? There it is. It's now up in the Google Drive if I just uploaded it directly. Now let's say that we've got a folder already for Heath, and this would be an example for Heath to use, right? He would want to go in the folder that we shared with him for his social media marketing plan, and then we would want to upload this. So since we're going to be using this for Facebook, maybe we go into Facebook here and we put some images. I might even create a new folder within this folder, right? So maybe we call this Facebook images. We click create. Now I can kind of put the files in here. And the other thing I can also do with an image, instead of doing new and then file upload and then uploading it directly, would be another option would be just to drag and drop. So if I've got the image on my computer or my desktop, right, there it is right here on the left-hand side, I can just drag it in there and it uploads and boom, there it is. And so when you click on any file in Google Drive on the top section of the page, there will be a option here where you can download them. The great thing too about Google Drive, right, this is in a preview mode, so it will automatically convert any file for you to be able to essentially be able to preview within Google because of its integrations with different apps. Now, if I needed to download it, I would simply just right click and then we can do, open with a specific type of document. We can share it with other people. We could get a URL link that we share. We can add it to our Drive so that it's organized. We can make a copy of it and we can download it, right? So for this video's purposes, our main focus today was so that Heath would be able to understand how to upload an image that he can use. Again, he can just simply drag or drop, or he can go over here and click new and upload and put it in the correct folder. Or if Heath needs to download an image for any reason, he can come over into his Google Drive folder, right click, and download that image. And now it's downloaded, and now it's ready to go and be used for his Facebook. So I've got both of these images here. So just kind of close for the video. I think this is a nice touch. For Heath, we're going to be adding his first profile picture to his Facebook today. So we'll go in here and click left, update. We're going to upload a photo. And then there's that image that we have in Heath's Google Drive folder. We can kind of scale this, make sure we got his picture looking good there, this tie. And there we go, guys. Now we've got Heath. We've got a nice picture of him. It's on his Google Drive folder, and we're ready to go and for him to start uploading some new resources. So I hope this has been helpful for anyone out there that is new to the Google Drive, and I hope this is also especially helpful for Heath. This is a free solution, as you saw. It takes maybe 30 seconds for you to take an image and upload it to the Google Drive folder that we can access in the cloud from anywhere in the world on any device. So thanks again, Google, and everyone for watching. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And again, my name is Benjamin Kepner of Global Social Media Marketing, and this video is about how to upload and download files with Google Drive. Keep googly, guys, and take care.